Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to walk you through what the standby backlight feature is on your Suunto 5 watch. This is kind of a confusing feature. There's so many features with the backlight on this watch, but if you look at my watch, it's laying here and there's no light on. That light just came on. That's my sensor on the back, but on the screen there's no backlight on. Just got a notification. That's what the backlight looks like whenever you get a notification. But what if you want a backlight always on? Basically, at nighttime, you don't have to turn on the light, you don't have to tilt your wrist towards you, you don't have to do anything. It'll always be lit up. How can you do that? Now, we got to be careful because there's actually two different ones here. You'll notice that that little backlight there just turned on because I tilted the watch towards me. That's one of your backlight options. The other one is, you'll notice if I press a button, it's really bright. You could actually set it to where that's your backlight all the time, the bright backlight all the time. What the standby backlight is it's that low light backlight we just saw with the wrist tilt all the time. How would we turn that on? The way we're going to do it is we're going to press and hold the middle button on the right hand side of the watch. You're going to hold it down for a couple seconds. It'll take you to your shortcuts. Once we get to our shortcuts, we're going to press this bottom right button. We're going to go all the way down to the bottom to settings. Press the middle button to go into settings. The settings that we need to go to is our general settings. That should be where it drops you in at. Simply press the middle button to go to general settings. And then we're going to go down to backlight. Now this is where it gets a little bit tricky. You'll notice that when I tilted the watch towards me, that backlight turned on automatically. That's because I have raise to wake on. If you have the standby backlight on and raise to wake, it will only turn on when you tilt your watch towards you, wrist tilt. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to turn that off. We could actually set it to just exercise only. But if you set it to off, and you leave standby on, your backlight will be on all the time on this watch. So I'm going to go ahead. I've got mine set. If you have yours off, you would basically just press that button to go into the settings, set it the way you want by pressing the middle button on the given value. I'm going to press and hold the bottom left button to go back, and what we're going to see now is that's our full backlight. It'll time out, but instead of the screen going black to the way it started when we started this video, you actually have a backlight on right there. Again, I'm in low light here, and you can see your screen is always going to have a low backlight. It's actually pretty cool. It doesn't drain as much battery life as you would think. You would think, oh man, you're always going to have that light on all day long. Yeah, you do, but I really haven't noticed that big of a difference between that and no backlight at all. You're going to lose a little bit of time, but it's still a pretty cool feature to where at nighttime, you've always got a light on your watch. That's what the standby backlight feature is. If you want to turn it on, now you know how to do it. As always, I hope the video helped. Thanks for watching.